Hey everybody, Legion here. Just wanted to do a quick little showcase. I think this one might end up being a little bit longer than maybe the last showcase video that I did, as we actually have three little systems we want to show off today. The first system, it just recently polished. I just got it working, and it's actually the NPC Shopkeepers. So this is where you can view a menu of the items that the shopkeeper is buying and selling. You can buy items, and you can also sell items that the shopkeeper, has a stock of. So essentially, if a shopkeeper is selling wood, they buy and sell wood, but they might not buy and sell, metal or something like that. Just a quick move you over here so you can see my screen. We also got the inventory system working, and the inventory system is pretty simple. You just type inventory. I have nothing in this character's inventory, but I can pick up stuff. So using the get command, we can get the coins and pick them up. You can also use a drop command to drop, a number of coins, such as 5, and then we'll drop 5 coins. And then if we look back at the area that we're in, there's 5 coins to pick up. So we'll pick them up because we'll need them. The mapping system is new. Now there is actually where it says obvious exits, that can give you directions to where you can go and what you're going into, and then also the mapping system, which is a small little ASCII art clip here that I've highlighted. The asterisk essentially represents where you're standing in a building, and the equal signs represent rooms that you can sort of see ahead of you. As you walk, you can use walk N or walk north to walk, obviously, north. You'll be able to see other rooms on the map around you. It's kind of like an awareness range. And we can, walk north, we can walk south. We're going to keep walking north. And then we'll see that we're now in, on the main street of Shady Sands. This is an area that you can access the plaza. You can go back to the entrance of the town where the graveyard is, and you can also go west and you can enter Ringwald's Emporium. We'll walk west to go into the Emporium here. When you're standing in the Emporium, you can see that there's a teenager here. He's standing behind the counter with the name tag Jason. One of the new features that we have just added is the bug command, and the bug command is simply used by just typing bug, and you can just type typo in room description. When you type that, you can then add some additional details to the bug. Teenager is spelled teenage. And then you can confirm the bug sent, and it'll be sent to myself, my account, and it'll be a notification, and I can go back into the code and change it and fix bugs. This is going to be an important command as you guys kind of play test and check out the game, and it will allow us to make a much better game, as it essentially allows, instead of myself just double checking everything as I go through, if something gets past the double check, it can actually get sent to me and fixed instead of just one of those things that lingers around forever. To continue on what I was showcasing, we can go to using the list command, and this will show everything that the shopkeeper has in its inventory to sell to you. The cost is in coins. We only have one currency, which we're going to add a premium currency, which will be rewarded when you do things such as dungeons and quests, and you do actions that aren't a part of the standard game of just exploring and surviving. To continue on showing off the shopkeeper, there's another command which is buy, and you can use this to buy whiskey, buy your bottle of water, buy your wood, whatever's in the shopkeeper. The commands are the same for every shopkeeper. Some shopkeepers will have special will have not usernames, but special commands that you can interact with it. I haven't got that working yet, but it'll be one of the next updates as I kind of make the shopkeepers a bit better. Right now we're using a generic shopkeeping script, which basically is the reason why it says you review a generic shopkeeper's inventory. I'm going to be working on fixing that and getting some different things to display, such as, you view the actual shopkeeper's, wares or something like that. But for now, we can use the command buy whiskey or buy water or buy wood in order to actually buy the items. I'm going to just buy some water here, and it'll add it to our inventory. So if we go and view our inventory, you'll see that we spent 9, so we have 11 coins left, and we have a bottle of water. You can use the bottle of water by using the command drink water, and you'll take a drink from your bottle of water. As you do different things such as harvesting supplies and collecting resources, you'll be able to actually become thirsty. There's a hunger and thirst system that is coded in and working, and essentially as you walk around and you fight and you do different things, it'll raise and lower as you burn calories, essentially. That's just about it for now. We are having a simple weather system, so if you type weather, you'll be able to view the weather. Right now in Shady Sands, it's cool and clear. One of the things that I have partially working, which I have it disabled right now, is catching a cold, catching a flu, catching different little sicknesses from the weather, and also from attacks from certain mobs. So such as like in the future there'll be ghouls that if they cut you or if they cause a bleeding affliction, there's a chance that you'll catch a disease from the ghouls. That's about it for right now. I'm looking forward to showing off some more interesting things tomorrow. The combat system is partially working, and hopefully I'll be able to show off the scavenging system and the skill systems tomorrow, hopefully. So I'll see you all then, and bye-bye.